can I go where you go?
Hi, good afternoon. I just wanted to show you how I've been waking up every morning with Taylor Swift thanks to this app I discovered, and honestly, it changed my mornings. So, I was looking for a way to wake up with something that actually motivates me, and I came across this app called Alarmify. You can find it by going to the App Store and searching Alarm for Spotify. That's how it shows up. Once you download it and open it, the first thing it does is ask you to connect with Spotify. You tap the button, it links automatically, and you just wait a few seconds while it does its thing. Then comes the fun part. You set the time you want your alarm to go off, and after that, you tap on Choose Alarm Sound. That's where you type in the song you want to wake up to. I obviously went with Taylor Swift because who wouldn't want to wake up to that? After choosing the song, it'll ask for notification permissions. You just accept so the app can actually send the alarm and wake you up properly. Give it the permissions it needs, and you're all set. And that's it. From now on, you'll be waking up with your favorite song playing. It honestly makes a huge difference in how I start my day. Highly recommend trying it.